Hello students, welcome to our channel Education Point Coaching Classes. Today's topic is monomials, binomials, polynomials, equal and unequal terms. Priya and Riya, two twins, were celebrating their birthday together today. Both of them called many of their friends on their birthday and both cut cake together and gave some return gifts to all their friends. Their mummy put lots of pen, pencil and eraser packet in a bag. The specialty of those packets was that the price of a pen was as much as the number of pens were in that packet. Means, let's suppose if there is the cost of one pen is rupees 5, so it means number of pens also available in the packet is 5. तो इट मीन्स कॉस्ट ऑफ द पैकेट क्या हो जाएगी बेटा 5 इंटू 5 25 हो जाएगी. सिमिलरली द प्राइस ऑफ अ पेंसिल वॉज एज द नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स वर इन दैट पैकेट. मीन्स जितने पेंसिल है उतना कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच पेंसिल. कॉस्ट ऑफ इरेजर ऑल्सो एज मच एज द नंबर ऑफ इरेजर्स वर इन दैट पैकेट. Now Priya opened some pencil, pen, eraser packets and mixed them in the same bag, and Riya's mother closed her eyes and started giving gifts to all the children from the bag. Then Priya got a mathematical game and she said, what she said? Let the cost of one pencil be x. Means agar one cost of one pen is x, so it means number of pen in the packet is also x. So cost of the packet is beta x into x square. Similarly, let the value of one pencil is y. If the value of pencil is y, it means the number of pencils in packet is also y. The cost of packet is y into y square. Similarly, the cost of one eraser is z. So it means cost of the packet of eraser is z square, z into z. Now what's given in the table is children's name. Mala received 4 pen packets. 4 pen packets means pen packets के लिए cost of pen packet is x square. तो 4x square 2 pencil. Cost of one pencil is y. तो 2y and 3 eraser packets. तो 1 packet is z square. यहाँ बेटा square नहीं लिखा, square लिख लेना, मिस प्रिंटिंग है ये. तो यहाँ टर्म्स कितनी है बेटा 1 2 3. तो ये दिस इज पॉलीनोमियल. Shweta received 2 pencils less from 4 pencil packets. 4 pencil packets means 4y square. ठीक, less 2 pencil less, तो 2 pencil is 2y, तो minus 2y. Here is 2 terms, so it means it is binomial. Shyam received 5 eraser packets. तो eraser packet के लिए क्या था z square, तो यहाँ पर 5z square, तो सिंगल टर्म मोनोमियल. Pooja received 3 pen. तो 3 pen means 3x. 5 pencil means 5y और 6 eraser 6z हो गया. इट इज पॉलिनोमियल. 2 pen packets. 2 pen packets के लिए हो जाएगा 2x square. 3 pens means 3x and 5 eraser means 5z. So their terms are 3 terms. So it is polynomial. 3 pencil packet. तो 3 pencil packet means 3y. तो सिंगल टर्म है, तो इट इज मोनोमियल. फिर यहाँ पर 9 pencils. 9 pencils means 9y और 3 eraser packets. तो 3z square. इट इज binomial. It is binomial. Now, next is from the table write 5 examples of like and unlike terms each. तो यहाँ जो आपने वेरिएबल्स बेटा लिखे थे एक्सप्रेशन में टर्म्स, उसमें आपने लाइक टर्म्स और अनलाइक टर्म्स को लिखना है. 5 पेयर ऑफ ईच. तो लाइक टर्म्स कौन से होते हैं बेटा, जिसमें क्या होगा द वेरिएबल इज आइडेंटिकल. तो इट मीन्स इफ 1 इज 4x स्क्वायर, तो इट्स लाइक टर्म इज, यहाँ आपने क्या लिखा था 2 pen packets means 2x square. Or if like one term is 2y, तो next is 5 pencils था यहाँ पर 5y. इसी तरीके से हम लिख देंगे if one is 3y square, तो इसका like term क्या हो जाएगा 4y square. 6z, इसका like term 5z. 3z square, like term is 5z square. These are the like terms. Unlike terms, unlike terms means जिसमें क्या रहेगा आपका वेरिएबल डिफरेंट होगा. लेट सपोज अगर एक आपका 4x स्क्वायर है तो दूसरा क्या 2y, तो दिस इज अनलाइक टर्म्स. 5z स्क्वायर 2y, ये अनलाइक टर्म है. और 4x स्क्वायर 4y स्क्वायर, पेयर ऑफ अनलाइक टर्म हो गया. 3x 5y, दिस इज अनलाइक. 3z square 6z, this is unlike term. Now next is Vikas gave rupees 51 as a gift to Priya and Riya. तो गिफ्ट दिया 51 ईच, तो टोटल कितना अमाउंट गिवन हो गया 102 रुपीज. आर दीज ऑल्सो पॉलिनोमियल? क्या ये पॉलिनोमियल है बेटा? नो, दिस इज नॉट पॉलिनोमियल. कैन इट ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज अ पॉलिनोमियल? नो, इट कांट. इफ यस देन हाउ इट कैन बी रिटन? तो ये नो है बेटा, लिख ही नहीं सकते हैं. तो इट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट एनी वेरिएबल कंबाइंस इस मल्टीपल्स टू फॉर्म टर्म. तो कोई भी वेरिएबल लेट ए बी सी एक्स वाई जेड, एनी वेरिएबल व्हेन कंबाइंस विथ मल्टीपल, मल्टीपल मीन्स 1 2 3 4 एनीथिंग, तो फॉर्म्स टर्म. द एक्सप्रेशन विच हैज ओनली वन टर्म इज कॉल्ड मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल विच has two terms, or polynomial which have more than two terms. Like terms, any two or more terms which are of same variable, मतलब जो same variable की होंगी, these are like terms. Let's suppose यहाँ पर अगर 4x है तो 7x, they have same variable, तो these are like terms. 4x square 7x square, तो this is like terms. Unlike terms, the terms which are not the same are called unlike terms. जो कि सेम नहीं है, कि 4x square with 4x, this is unlike बेटा, because variable is not same. या 4x and 5y, this is pair of unlike terms because variable is not same. This is all for today. I hope the concept is clear to you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.